A major storm system moving across the country, so many states seeing localized flooding down power lines, strong winds. Millions are still under the threat of hailstorms and potential tornado outbreaks. And Scott, as you see this video and viewers are watching right now, what are the chances of us seeing any storms in the next couple of days?
In the next couple of days, our chances are going to be all but zero, but the same system that's moving through the midsection of the country right now, producing severe storms across Oklahoma into Missouri, will eventually get into our neighborhood, but high pressure over us will keep our weather locally pretty nice and quiet, so it's going to take some time for that moisture to get here. It's going to kind of join forces with a trough of low pressure that's swinging in from the Pacific Northwest, and that's what will finally bring it into our area. But right now, there's the view from our Savannah camera looking toward downtown, a beautiful blue sky. The Savannah River is kind of murky looking because of all the heavy rain that we've had upstream into the Augusta area, points further north. There have been many bouts of some heavy rain. Luckily, we haven't had any flooding in our area, but we do need the rain. Infrared satellite right now shows us that we do have some clouds working through the state, but nothing in the way of rainfall locally for us. So we are on par for us to have the second driest April on record because of how dry conditions have been throughout the month. Just about 1/4 of an inch of rain reported at the Savannah Hilton Head International Airport, which is the official reporting site for climatological data in our area. Temperature-wise, we are above normal for most of us, upper 80s for the warm spots, and we will get even warmer over the next couple of afternoons, and it will become a little bit muggier as the southerly wind brings in more moisture from the south. So dew point temperatures in the upper 50s, lower 60s gives us an indication that tonight will be fairly cool, but tomorrow that moisture will continue to increase, so with high temperatures topping out in the mid to upper 80s to even lower 90s, perhaps are very close to 90 degrees. Some of us will certainly notice that extra humidity out there. We'll have a mix of clouds and sunshine throughout the day. Tomorrow, no rainfall expected. A similar pattern will be setting up for our Friday, with the exception of a slight chance for a few showers or storms. But then on Saturday, that's when the next system will move through the southeast, bringing us that chance for scattered showers and storms. At this point, not looking like anything in the way of organized severe weather. However, with the warm temperatures and the ample moisture, we do have that risk of a few isolated severe storms. As far as Sunday, rain chances will be concentrated in the first part of the day, and as that system moves off of the coast, Monday and into Tuesday, conditions will begin to dry out. So high pressure setting us up for that very warm pattern to continue. Here's the system that we were seeing that video from with some of that storm damage. That's the first area of low pressure moving through, and then this is the second one that will combine with that system over the midsection of the country and will eventually work through our area, bring us that chance for weekend showers and storms primarily on Saturday. For our Friday, fast forwarding on Vipercast, we'll have a mix of clouds and sunshine. Cloud cover will be increasing into Saturday morning, a few showers possible, but then becoming more widespread as far as that activity heading into the late afternoon and into the evening hours. Pockets of some heavy rain are possible, and also some embedded thunderstorms are expected. That will continue overnight into early Sunday morning, but then drying out as we head throughout the day. For tonight, mostly clear and cool with those temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s, a little milder right along the coast. And then for tomorrow, those temperatures will be in the middle and upper 80s, especially along and west of I-95. That breeze out of the south will be strong at times, perhaps gusts up to around 20 miles per hour are possible. For the boaters, not a bad day out there at all. Seas 2 to 3 feet with those winds generally out of the south, 5 to 10 knots. We'll have some gusts a little bit higher as well over the waterways near Georgia and South Carolina's coast. So breezy for Thursday. Friday, a few isolated showers or storms possible. Saturday and Sunday, that's when we do have this higher rain and storm chances, especially for Saturday. Drying out through the day on Sunday, and then mostly sunny, drier, and pretty close to normal for those temperatures on Monday and Tuesday of next week. And then some low-end shower and storm chances move back in for next Wednesday. That's a check of your forecast for now. We'll have more coming up.